of rose gold laser foil. Again, the laser foil or any kind of deco mesh is a little bit more challenging than say a poly burlap or a fabric mesh, but it is doable. Diamond shape. I'm bringing the top corner down to the bottom corner, finding the middle, putting my finger there, corner, corner, edge into the middle, edge into the middle, okay. Flip this over, the two corners match up. Get a zip tie, put it around the bottom. And 3-inch bead, zip tie. Again, I'm just using the little 4-inch zip ties. Okay, I want to make sure that the bead is at the end. And then I'm pulling it on the inside. Flip that, flip that, flip that. Okay, once it's done, you can kind of make it a little bit wider by just kind of pulling that. And use a white bead. Okay, in a diamond shape, find the middle, bring the top corner, bottom corner, edge in, the top edge in. Oh, it's so much nicer. The laser foil's got that spring to it, so it's a little harder to manipulate, so you have to kind of fight with it, but it does look very pretty, right? I'll bring this over. Scrunch the bottom. Right. And then we're going to put the white bead. Actually, I'll use it. It is pretty. There's all kinds of, sky's the limit with this. Beads are super inexpensive. Oops, do it up. Okay, we'll turn it. All right, and it's gonna go right at the end. The 3D daisy one that Michelle does is kind of up near the front of it, and it's a little wider. This one is thinner, and the bead is right at the end. Okay, and then we'll pull that tight. So it works out with all kinds of mesh. And you can stretch it out. And there we go. So these could be really fun with the, they have all different kinds of things. Even the wood ones will go with any color.